Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for the ultimate gaming showdown of the century. 20 of the world's most elite gamers are about to embark on a heart-pounding journey like no other. They'll face off in a grueling 7-round elimination challenge with a jaw-dropping $100,000 prize on the line. This isn't just any gaming tournament. It's a test of skill, strategy, and sheer endurance that will push these players to their absolute limits. Picture this: a state-of-the-art gaming arena, decked out with cutting-edge technology and pulsing with electric energy. The air is thick with anticipation as our contestants take their seats, each one a master of their craft, ready to prove they have what it takes to be crowned the ultimate gaming champion. But here's the kicker: only one can emerge victorious. As the rounds progress, the weak will fall and the strong will rise. Who will crumble under the pressure? Who will rise to the occasion and claim glory? It's time to find out in the most extreme gaming challenge ever created. Now let's break down the rules of this epic tournament. 7 intense stages of gaming prowess await our contestants, each designed to test a different aspect of their skills. From lightning-fast reflexes to strategic thinking, from teamwork to solo performance, no stone will be left unturned in our quest to find the best of the best. Our gaming arena is a sight to behold. Massive screens surround the players, displaying every heart-stopping moment for the world to see. Custom-built gaming rigs equipped with the latest hardware stand ready for battle. The contestants themselves are a diverse group of gaming prodigies from around the globe, each with their own unique style and background. Some are streaming sensations, others are esports legends, but all share one common goal: to walk away with that life-changing prize. As the first round begins, we dive headfirst into the chaotic world of Battle Royale. Fortnite is the name of the game, and the tension is palpable as our players drop onto the island. Weapons are snatched up in seconds, and the action explodes across the arena. We see incredible building battles, precise sniper shots, and nail-biting escapes. The crowd goes wild as one player pulls off an impossible 1v4 clutch, securing their spot in the next round and sending their opponents packing. But there's no time to catch your breath because we're rolling straight into round 2 with Apex Legends. The pace quickens as our remaining contestants form squads and dive into the fray. Communication is key as they coordinate their movements, calling out enemy positions and sharing resources. We witness jaw-dropping plays, like a perfectly timed ultimate ability that wipes out multiple teams in seconds. As the dust settles, more players bid farewell to their dreams of victory. With our field narrowed, it's time to put individual skills to the test. Round 3 throws our gamers into the blocky world of Minecraft, but this is no leisurely building session. It's a high-stakes speedrun challenge that will separate the truly elite from the rest. Fingers fly across keyboards as players race to defeat the Ender Dragon in record time. We see incredible feats of memory and game knowledge, with some contestants taking risky shortcuts that pay off big time. Others crumble under the pressure, making costly mistakes that send them home. The 4th round cranks up the intensity with a Valorant aim challenge that will test even the steadiest of hands. Our remaining players face off in a series of precision-based trials, from flick shots to spray control. The arena falls silent as everyone holds their breath, watching crosshairs align with pixel-perfect accuracy. Suddenly, an underdog rises to the occasion, outgunning a favored pro and sending shockwaves through the competition. As we enter the second half of our tournament, it's time for some serious mind games. Round 5 drops our contestants into the treacherous world of Among Us, where deception is the name of the game. Alliances form and break in the blink of an eye as players try to complete tasks while rooting out the imposters among them. We see masterful lies, cunning sabotages, and heart-stopping emergency meetings. In a twist that no one saw coming, a quiet player who's been flying under the radar reveals themselves as a master manipulator, orchestrating the elimination of their biggest threats. But the real test of mental fortitude is yet to come. Round 6 pushes our remaining gamers to their absolute limits with a grueling endurance challenge. Hours stretch into what feels like days as they battle fatigue, hunger, and sleep deprivation. Eyes grow heavy, reflexes slow, and tempers flare as the pressure mounts. Some find reserves of strength they never knew they had, while others succumb to exhaustion and are forced to bow out. At last, we've reached the final showdown. 2 players remain, both having proven their worth across multiple games and challenges. The arena crackles with electricity as they prepare for the ultimate 1v1 battle. This is it. Everything they fought for comes down to this moment. The final game is revealed, a best-of-5 series that will test every skill they've honed throughout the tournament. The crowd is on their feet, cheering for their favorite as the match begins. It's a back-and-forth struggle, neither player willing to give an inch. Incredible plays are met with equally impressive counterplays. The score is tied 2-2, and it all comes down to the final round. In a heart-stopping finale, our champion emerges victorious by the narrowest of margins. The arena erupts in a deafening roar as confetti rains down from above. Our winner, overcome with emotion, can barely believe their eyes as the $100,000 check is presented. Tears of joy mix with exhausted laughter as they're hoisted onto the shoulders of their fellow competitors, true sportsmanship shining through even in defeat. As the celebration continues, our champion takes a moment to speak with us. Still breathless from their incredible run, they share their journey, the doubts they overcame, and the strategies that led them to victory. But even as they bask in the glow of their achievement, there's a glint in their eye that tells us they're already thinking about the next challenge. And speaking of challenges, we've got an announcement that's going to blow your mind. If you thought this tournament was intense, just wait until you hear what we've got planned next. We're taking things to a whole new level with an even bigger prize pool, more players, and challenges that will redefine what it means to be a gaming champion. But that's a story for another day. For now, let's hear it one more time for our incredible winner and all the amazing gamers who made this tournament one for the history books. This is what happens when you push the boundaries of gaming to the extreme, and we're just getting started. So to all you gamers out there watching at home, start practicing now. Because next time, it could be you standing in this arena, fighting for glory and a life-changing prize. The gauntlet has been thrown down. Are you ready to answer the call? Remember, in the world of competitive gaming, anything is possible. Dreams can become reality, underdogs can become champions, and legends are born in the heat of battle. This tournament has shown us the very best of what gaming has to offer. The skill, the passion, and the unbreakable spirit of those who dare to compete at the highest level. As we sign off, the energy in the arena is still electric. Fans crowd around our champion, hoping for autographs and selfies with the newest star in the gaming world. The other contestants, though disappointed, show true sportsmanship as they congratulate the winner and share stories of their favorite moments from the tournament. Behind the scenes, our production team is already hard at work, reviewing footage and planning how to make the next event even more spectacular. The gaming industry is buzzing with news of the tournament's success, and speculation runs wild about what challenges await in the future. For now, our champion can enjoy their well-deserved victory, but in the fast-paced world of competitive gaming, there's always another challenge on the horizon. New games, new strategies, and new talent are constantly emerging, keeping even the best players on their toes. To all the gamers out there, whether you're a casual player or aspiring pro, let this tournament be an inspiration. It shows that with dedication, skill, and a little bit of luck, amazing things are possible, who knows? The next gaming sensation could be you, sitting at home right now, controller in hand, dreaming of glory. So keep practicing, keep pushing your limits, and keep your eyes peeled for the next big opportunity. Because in the world of competitive gaming, the next challenge is always just around the corner, and the next champion is waiting to be crowned. As the lights dim in our arena and the last of the confetti settles, we're left with memories of an unforgettable event and the promise of even greater things to come. This tournament wasn't just a competition, it was a celebration of gaming culture, a showcase of incredible talent, and a glimpse into the future of entertainment. To everyone who tuned in, competed, or supported this event in any way, thank you for being part of gaming history. The passion and energy you bring to this community is what makes events like this possible. And to our champion, enjoy your hard-earned victory, but don't get too comfortable. The gaming world moves fast, and there's always someone out there training hard, ready to take your crown. As we close this chapter, we open the door to countless new possibilities. The gaming world is ever evolving, and we can't wait to see what incredible feats and nail-biting competitions the future holds. So keep your skills sharp, your mind focused, and your competitive spirit alive. Because in the world of gaming, the next big challenge is always just a power-up away. Until next time, game on!